I hope Donald Trump learns a valuable lesson from this. Football scripts are written from above. You cannot mess with football gods and what they have planned. USA, they bow out in the round of 16. All the hosts, all the co hosts, they've now officially bowed out of the tournament, right? All of them in the same round. Canada, they lost to Morocco. Mexico, they lost to England. And now USA losing to a very decent Belgian side. Belgium actually, they scraped through to find themselves where they are. Remember that comeback against Senegal where they were losing 2-0 in the 75th minute, and then they just turned things around. They've carried on Goku with that momentum. And what's more impressive is that I can name 3 or 4 of their star players. They were not included in the starting 11, right? It shows a bit of progression from the Belgian side. Abo Lukaku, he didn't start. Kevin De Bruyne, he didn't start as well. Axel Witsel, Dogu, all the players you'd normally associate with the starting 11s of Belgium, all of them were out. But the guys who started, they did the job. Like I said, at the end of the day, it was lightweight, man. USA needed to exit the tournament in this fashion. But yeah, things are drawing to a close, man. We are done with the first half of the bracket. France are through. They will be facing Morocco. Portugal bowing out, losing to Spain. That last minute goal from Mikel Merino. They are through. They'll be facing. Now we've just found out Belgium. Yeah, I think Belgium, that's where their journey ends, man. I don't see them getting past Spain unless, of course, another World Cup miracle is on the cards. We continue. 19th July is drawing ever so close.